For years, thin meant one thing in the smartphone world: compromise. You got a smaller battery, weaker cameras, and a phone that felt like it might snap in your pocket. But 2026 is officially the year of the Air flagship. While everyone is waiting for Apple's move, Honor just dropped this, the Magic 8 Pro Air. It's 6.1 millimeters thin, weighs 155 grams, and somehow, it has no right to have the specs it does. Today, we're doing a deep dive into how Honor fit a pro-grade periscope and a massive battery into a chassis this thin. Let's talk numbers. 6.1 millimeters. To put that in perspective, that's barely thicker than a USB-C port. Honor used an aviation-grade aluminum unibody with a 530 megapascal strength rating to ensure it doesn't bend. On the front, we have a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED. It's a compact flagship by today's standards, but it's pushing a staggering 6,000 nits of peak brightness. What's more impressive is the 4,320 Hz PWM dimming. Honor is still the king of eye protection, but the real magic is underneath. A 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. No optical lag here. Powering this thin slice of tech is the MediaTek Dimensity 9500. Built on a 3nm process, it's hitting clock speeds of 4.21 GHz. In early testing, it's keeping up with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 found in the larger Magic 8 Pro. But check this out, the AI key. It's a solid-state pressure-sensitive button on the rail. It's context-aware. If you're in the camera, it's a shutter. If you're scrolling social media, a long press triggers a magic portal to instantly share or search what's on your screen. It feels like the physical manifestation of macOS 10. Usually, thin phones lose the telephoto lens first. Not here. You're getting a triple 50-megapixel setup, headlined by a 1.3-inch main sensor. But the showstopper is the 64-megapixel periscope telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom. To solve the lighting issue in such a small module, Honor introduced the industry's first AI zoom array flash. It's a 5 LED structure that actually narrows or widens its beam based on your zoom level. It can hit 200 lux of centered illumination for portraits. It even has a CCD strobe mode that mimics that nostalgic 2000s-era digital camera look with intentional film grain. Now, the how is this possible moment. This phone is 6.1 millimeters thin, but packs a 5,500 mAh battery. For context, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have barely 3,100 mAh. Honor is using their third-gen silicon-carbon Qinghai Lake tech. It has an energy density of 917 watt-hours per liter, the highest ever in a flagship. You're getting 80 watts wired and 50-watt wireless charging. This isn't just a one-day phone, it's a power user, phone that happens to be invisible when you turn it sideways. Starting at roughly $700 in China, the Magic 8 Pro Air is a massive shot across the bow for Apple and Samsung. It proves you don't have to sacrifice the periscope or the battery to get a thin design. The only question left is, when can we get our hands on the global version? Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.